Hey friends, I hope you're having a good day today. So today I am going to have a boat day with my family. I'm so excited and I wanted to share with you the makeup I'm going to do for kind of a sun day on the lake, as well as what I'm going to do for my hair, which is not much since I'm going to be out in the wind on a boat enjoying my family. And I know you may not have an opportunity to go on a boat, but you might be spending a day outside with your family in one way or another, by the swimming pool, on a hike, whatever the case. I'm going to show you some real simple makeup and hair that you can do just to prepare you for outdoors so you still feel your best, but also very light application of how to protect your skin. So I'm going to start with putting a little bit of hair milk on my hair. So I washed my hair this morning. I featured this product, I would say a couple months ago. This is John Masters Organic Hair Milk. And anytime I just want to have like a really touchable hair day where I don't have any products on, but I want my hair to be real nice and touchable and clean feeling, I use this. It makes your hair really, really soft. It's got rose and apricot in it, and I have to tell you, it smells delicious. But just to read what's on the back here, it's a lightweight leave-in hair milk. It nourishes and hydrates hair with nutrient-rich oils and extracts. It may be used as a light hold styling product or just to moisturize, defrizz, and add shine. Perfect for dry, dull hair. And this is made with certified organic ingredients. It's clean, sustainable, and cruelty-free, and safe for color-treated hair. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of this. I just use about that much for my hair. Oh, and it smells delicious. Also, just to let you know what's in it, it's got aloe vera, it's got rose, coconut, sunflower seed oil, it's got vitamin B5, orange peel, and it smells absolutely delicious. Kind of like citrus, apricot, and rose all in one smell. So I already have my swimming suit on. I live about 1 minute away from a wonderful lake, and my family is visiting from Atlanta, my brother and his wife and their 2 kids. And my kids are here, my daughter and her boyfriend and my son. And I took the whole week off. My husband took the whole week off. So we are just really getting to enjoy family this week. And I decided for the first time ever, I've never rented a boat before. I rented a boat from the marina here. And we are going to just have an all-day boat day. I rented it for 5 hours and we are gonna have a blast. And we even rented like an inner tube that you can pull behind the boat. And so hopefully I'll get some good clips to share with you about our fun on the boat. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to just keep letting my hair air dry. Like I said, I'm not gonna do much with my hair other than get it dry and some scrunches, because more than likely most of the day I'll be wearing a hat. So if you're wondering where I got this swimming suit from, it's not available anymore. I had bought this about 5 years ago, and it's like a real vintage style, and it was actually, I bought it from Walmart several years ago, and they don't offer it anymore. So if you're looking for something similar to this, I'm sure you can find some choices on Amazon, but this suit has held up and has been really high quality for 5 years, and I've worn it almost every year. So I love when you buy products and they actually are high quality and they last. Okay, so since I'm gonna be in the wind and the sun all day, definitely need to moisturize your face. I'm gonna use Olay Regenerist, which is what I put underneath my makeup. I don't use a ton, but it's a perfect under makeup moisturizer in my opinion. You can see that I've gotten quite a tan this summer, mostly freckles. So that's one thing, is like, how do you play up the freckles without covering them up so heavily? So the next phase is you may want to add sunscreen moisturizer under your makeup if you're gonna wear makeup. If you don't wear makeup and you're gonna be in the sun all day, definitely sunscreen your face. I am going to use a very light BB cream for my face. This is a SPF 30. So this is Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. But if you are wanting even more protection for your skin from the sun, I would suggest the It's CC Cream SP 50, which will protect your face. And I can tell you, I've been using this almost every day, lots in the sun, and I still end up getting a tan because SPF 50 can only protect so much even. So my freckles still come out, but I just don't get burned. Since this is really kind of a heavier cover-up, I am gonna use the BB cream today so that my freckles can come out a little bit. And I'm not gonna use a sponge or anything like that. I am going to just take a big bunch like that, rub it into my face. And when I'm having an outside day, I don't do much makeup, just the bare minimum. And honestly, mostly for protection. The other thing that I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna powder, because I notice when I powder and I really get a lot of sun, it can get kind of gross. So I'm not going to powder at all, but I am going to add a little bit of blush. I actually just bought this at Walmart. This is the Physicians Formula Organic Wear, and it is the Dewy Blush Elixir. And so this is actually a really cool little product. It's blush, but it comes out in liquid form like this. And what you do, I just put it on one finger and get my other finger dipped in it so I can do both sides at the same time. But you just barely tap to distribute it, but it gives you like a little dewy glow for your blush. It's very pretty, very light. All right, like that to me feels good enough. The other thing is I'm not gonna do my eyebrows. I see no need to do my eyebrows, and I am going to put some mascara on. Now, I didn't think ahead and I didn't get waterproof mascara, so I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Like I said, very simple makeup, nothing crazy, just to feel like you have a little bit on. You're gonna get very windblown and warm and sweaty. And so I'm just gonna do the bare minimum here so that I could feel put together outside. Just a side note, by the way, this came with another thing, and it's called the Boosting Serum. And I've been using that on my eyelashes normally. I'm not gonna use it today, but before I put my mascara on. And it actually helps your eyelashes grow longer. And I have to say, my eyelashes feel like they've been growing since I've been using it. Check this out. Look how long that is. So we're gonna finish this off with a little bit of lipstick, and I'm going to use Superstay Ink Crown. Now this is like a really good lipstick and it stays on for hours, and this is bright red. If I'm doing real simple makeup like this, especially with black, I like the red pop of the lips. So I'm gonna just crayon this onto my lips. And then I actually take another lipstick. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick, and this is called Kiss. And I just like the alternating color here. Do you guys ever mix lipstick? I love mixing lipstick. So that is the finished makeup product. Very light application, nothing heavy. Pop a nice bright lipstick, and then I'm going to do a quick blow dry on my hair. So here goes. Okay, so I got my hair blow dried. Just gonna do a quick comb through here. And what I'm gonna do is do a quick spray. I actually bought this not that long ago. This is just Herbal Essences. I wanted to try out their new hairsprays. This is Body Envy Volumizing Hairspray. I have to say I really do like it. It holds really nicely, it's inexpensive, and it smells delicious. I've always loved the smell of the Herbal Essences products. And they've changed their formula because it used to break me out when I would use Herbal Essences hairspray. This formula does not. So I'm just gonna do a quick spray all around, which will get some of these hairs kind of sticking up at the top down. What I like sometimes with just the simple hairspray styles is you spray your hair, and then when it's a little bit sticky all over, that's when you can kind of mold your hair to do what you want it to. So very simple outdoor style. Let's take a quick look at the back to see if this is how we want it to look. And we'll see the left side here. So I hope you liked this video today. I hope you get to go out and enjoy a day outside here pretty soon. Whether it's on a lake, at a beach, in a garden, wherever you choose, I hope you enjoy your day as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps others see my video and gets it out to more people. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have you. Anyways, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!